Katalan na.
hadak sorgani gambaran PGR na pen PGR angkang PR long hadak bangket sorgani gambaran tumapan amen pen ingkan long labangso amen ingkan dem belum api eviction dia pan kita business kono notice tidak api putra mai pilih ni trainer cap ani am dolo ni trainer cap api am dem api putra mai pilih ani PGR na pen PGR long dalam Kedo tuapan eviction sereka jok Tawar ingkit cek mati konsila long madu pan kita me pati lelong na japan sekecil long padolo tebon kita me dak rai ko masai kia tumbang pen dak kecil song tu pan dak hamkit tu mati dak kem olah olah melo alam pen bicara long gitu dak semet bangket kelang pia long eviction pek lagi pen karbiang long angkang pia long pur cotut mola pen penang ar kecesong ami ate kitang na bangso ami ate kita joksi kita tang tang ciklon di pai invoy ani ladak karbiang long termas konsil pancepat mopi konsil ladak semet bangket kecing wajing saya baru pono dak political organization social organization
But you have to do it properly, no? This is not the way.
We'll do it.
How long will you sit here?
Alaso kacing kita kan kacing kita kan along sikit parai pun dari eviction back to posisi kadang termasuk alang ni lah tak sikit pun ada intensi alaso hari ni bangkit
No eviction! No eviction! No eviction! No eviction! No eviction! No eviction!
Ini orang itu dah. Labangso kacesong tenangan hari sotong ba tebon sitamin ladak wan labangso itu mau majok orang jadi kau kacok bang tripe nak kirom dapat cesong long le pada poncon atau malah dak 144 kayak bangsu rai ko masa kitum ta jongsi alam ni malang ka titik pante net ingnan ko na ko sa kan something nan ko ko an alam ke mon bang bang
The law, when DC is given 144, 3 or 5, the gathering cannot be more than 5. Yes. If you are 4%, if you are protesting here, I have no objection. But if the gathering is more than 5, see what the law says, I cannot allow it.
But sir, we are forced because
by forcing, you should not break the law of the country.
we are not breaking, sir. Sir, we are on the
You are breaking 144.
we are on the limit, sir. We are on the limit.
You are breaking 144.
Sir, we are on the limit. We have to protest against the council because they have broken their promises, sir.
There is no harm in the protest, but you do it democratically.
We are doing democratically, sir. We are just in assembly, sir. We are not using any unparliamentary votes to anyone. We are doing it democratically, sir.
But the gathering has itself become undemocratic now. Under 144.
If there is no protest, sir,
There is a way. You should apply for permission now.
we will apply it, sir. But then
You do it.
we will do it, sir. We will do it, sir.
You apply it that we want to protest against the eviction of business. We will then see the thing. We will locate your place and do it. There is no harm.
We will do it, sir. We will do it. We will do it.
For every protest, there has to be permission under 144.
Yes, yes.
You know it clearly.
We know that. But we give you the promise, sir. We are not going to give harm to anyone. We are not going to use any unparliamentary vote. But we'll be sitting here peacefully. I give you my word, sir. We'll be doing it here peacefully. Nobody will be harmed, sir.
This is not a designated place.
Sir, you know it, sir.
You do it in it will be under our protection. You do it in the designated place now. There is a designated Samsung the park is there. There is a designated place for your protest. you sit there, I have no objection.
Sir, for the
But
time
it has
being,
to be in the designated place.
for the time being, let us agree that let the elected representative come here and then let him give.
I can send that message to the independent only if you do it in the designated place.
So let him come, sir.
How can he come to a place which is not constitutional and under a law of 144?
So this is the responsibility of the elected representative to come here and then
See, I only speak lawfully. If I say anything unlawful, you can counter me.
Yeah, I'm not countering you, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm just discussing with you.
There is, because of these elections, there is 144.
Yes, we know that.
You understand?
We know that.
Under 144.
call from Serjang identified by Truecaller.
Yes, we know that.
And if you ask to protest, I have no objection, but it has to be allowed in the designated protest place.
That is why.
Like in Delhi, it's there in Jantar Mantar. You know it.
Yeah.
For Karbi Along, the designated place is Samsung Park, or it can be under your office premises. Other than that, if it's allowed, it has to be a permission. You can protest indefinite, whatever. I have nothing to say, but it has to be proper as per law. Unnecessarily, I don't want to declare you an unlawful assembly. See, unfortunately, if we break, and why all these people are? You are a leader now. Please lead them as per law. Don't break the law of the land.
Sir, you know that we have been doing protests very peacefully. Even in Keroni, even here, no harm, no properties have been destroyed. Everything was organized peacefully, sir. You know that. You know it very well.
I know. I have full faith in it. Then do it democratically, na. Do it democratically as per law.
I think this is the only way to give pressure to the representative. Let him come, sir, for today. Let him come and then we will discuss and then let us again.
Don't use the loudspeaker right now. Don't use the loudspeaker. Don't use the loudspeaker. See, already by gathering only you have broken first law. Loudspeaker will be second. You understand? You understand my condition as a government servant, na? I have to act as per the law of the country. I cannot allow this, na. You talk about yourself. I'll speak with my seniors. See what can be done, but this is not done. Understand? I have full support against your demand, whatever. I have full faith. I have full means my sympathy. But it has to be done democratically. You know me from Hamad. I was there. You have to be do it lawfully. I have nothing to say. That's why. That's not for you. I have nothing to say against you or any political party. Even other political parties, adult student organizers also protested, but they did it as per procedure. They applied. We allowed. We even provided escort also. Yesterday, Asu did bike rally. We provided nicely escort. Wherever you want to go, you go. Even AJSB protested. We have nothing to say. Okay. Just discuss among yourself. Mukesh.
Kecedang lok lo lah sila dakalang itum tek long lo nan itum la bangso ahem kong long si kami hala daki wan dolo alang itum akan non dak kana long ki ponja pansi alang itum long long mak 144 dak dobong la bangso dalam si la bangso 144 ek la bangso karkan amen penalang itum apan dak ti song long ten kana long an ki ponja pansi kami alang itum ki sikting lo rai ko masai kia tum ta dolo la ben jasane do bang ke karena long kita punya panselang itu disik lo kan itu lo kasi tapi yang ding sila bangsa kecil song lejima alang itu mapan kan ding lejima sila bangsa kecil song lagi kamke itu na pansela tu mapan thana kita ini tu ini tu thang ta memang masih dan kecil song atau mapan kamke tu maman te 144 la bangsa thara kardan amen pelalang ni makan hel kan sangke be konja fansi thana long ki tu ampo ji chini pon hel tu khaton lo video jar ni alang itu lamakso kate song kamke tu dan 144 dan bom